Sangma Nime YouTubers subscribe Chazat.
Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm on my way to class and I'm quite early. I think I'll be early by 5 minutes, so I'll just make a vlog, okay? Entrance part from where we have to show our face to enter. I'm done with my classes, okay? But Vaishnavi and all, they're having one more class, so I'm just noob seg rahe hain and just going through this Tibetan pepper that we had, okay? It's so difficult, yeah. It was so difficult. I think we should improve. I mean, we should focus more on our language. Today in class, I was like putting my point of view, okay, about how differences. Obviously, India is a diverse country, right? We all follow different religion, culture, and all. But there are people who try to impose their culture and religion on other, which is not right? Which is not good. So yeah, those are the things I was talking about, and I kind of like it when, like to put my point of view. So I think Ladakh sama Buddhist filter for monks the captain in Jaluya. Chazerna Zamling mama na kakspot kaya sama Kongo ne Kongri language po nga diga impose not in a bad way, but ngatang na language po kadang kami will have, which is very important, I think. So I hope we all work more on our own language, try to speak at least to Ladakhi to ourselves, when we are among each other we should talk in Ladakhi. And I've seen in younger students, okay, which is, I think it's such a sad thing, right? Ladakh's part, but Ladakh's is very much, it's, oh god, like culture. There is saying, okay, Phayul Jetna Phaskat Mamal Jet. Even if you forget where you were from, maybe you migrate. Our class is happening right now. को मैं होती है देख के पता चला अटेंडेंस का स्ट्रेस मैम अटेंडेंस स्ट्रेस एवरी डे मैम इन द मॉर्निंग
यस मैम
टाइम मैनेजमेंट
सुबह उठने का स्ट्रेस
साफ करने का स्ट्रेस
चलने के बाद पैर धोने का स्ट्रेस
क्या ऑब्वियसली सुबह होता है सोने के टाइम तो मजा आएगा ना अब सो रहे हैं
सोने के टाइम कैसे सपना है उसका स्ट्रेस अरे सोने के टाइम नींद क्यों नहीं आ रही उसका स्ट्रेस
स्ट्रेस से भरे हुए हैं
और क्या मैंने उसके साथ उसको स्ट्रेस नहीं होता
खाने का स्ट्रेस होता है क्या बता दूं
तो आज भी ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया
फिर भी बनी So Gushan is gonna sing a song which was going in my mind from subah se. Yes, Gushan, can you please sing for us?
प्यार में सारा आलम खो बैठे हैं, खो बैठे हैं। तुम कहते हो कि ऐसे प्यार को भूल जाओ, भूल जाओ। हम तेरे प्यार में सारा आलम।
Right, guys, so right now let's talk to my friends about what's happening in Ladakh right now. As we all know, that situation is in Ladakh is not at all good since last year September. Okay, so let's just see how much they know about Ladakh and all the things that happened. Yes, Gushan and Vaishnavi.
Our point of view.
Yes, like
आई थिंक लाइक मेन थिंग है कि एक पार्टी को दे फेल बैड कि हाँ, बिकॉज द पीपल ऑफ लद्दाख वुड लाइक प्रोटेस्टिंग अबाउट सम कॉज एंड दे वर लाइक व्हाई डिड यू डिस्ट्रॉयड दिस, एंड देन दे डिडंट इवन डिस्ट्रॉय, इट वाज जस्ट अ पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट।
do you know like why that protest happened?
या वो उनको 6 शेड्यूल चाहिए था, तो I think if they have promised in their campaign also, the first thing that was we will provide you 6 schedule, and they didn't do the main thing, and then they were like कि we are giving this jobs and like government reservation for the Ladakhi people, but like the first point was कि 6 schedule में आना चाहिए ना। अगर आपने वो उसका प्रॉमिस ही कर दिया, फिर आप अपने कैंपेन में ही वो चीज़ नहीं लाते, उसको देख के ही लद्दाख के लोगों ने आपको वोट दिया है ना।
Manifestos में already they have mentioned all the things that they will do.
And then Mr. Sonam Wangchuk was like protesting for so long. He did like this path yatra to Delhi, है ना, and they did so many fast like, and then और भी पहले से भी like protest वगैरह, मतलब peaceful protest तो हो ही रहा था, but जब तक वो चीज़ बिल्कुल angry situation messed up नहीं हुआ, तब तक government
They never noticed. They didn't even give a damn about the things.
and all the blame was put on to one person, and like they put like NSA act on it. Which was like totally, because he cannot defend himself in national security thing,
And they
that
don't
is
even
the-
have proof like why you're arresting.
That is why they put
And now
him in
his
the
situation
NSA.
is so bad. Okay,
Yeah.
he's hospitalized,
Yeah,
and still the government is like
Actually, the rapists are roaming around India,
yes.
and still the people who are doing better for the community, they are inside
They're
the jail.
behind bars.
This is the politics that is happening in India currently.
Yes,
And
and sadly,
हाँ, if the government had promised about something, they should fulfill it, है ना।
true.
तो ये बात है, बाकी it's very bad, it's sad.
And one more thing is like nowadays what's happening is everything is going back to normal, which is not at all. Four people have been,
You know,
not just 4. उसके बाद तो कितने लोगों का तो like कितना वो हो गया पता है, कुछ लोगों का मतलब
हाँ,
medical
there
issues
were
हो गया
more
उसके
than 70
बाद.
people who were injured over there.
That's
Yeah, and even like in place like Ladakh, it's like unimaginable.
yeah, the
So
people are so
impossible
peaceful.
area,
Yeah,
yes.
peaceful है, हाँ.
Yeah, people are so soft and kind, and still the people are like those who are from the outsiders, I guess. They are still destroying the like that peace.
even now there are people who are like against these things. Okay, so it's like they should have some knowledge. And when and even there are people who put stories about edited version of Sonam
Yeah.
Wangchuk saying something. They're like, oh, anti-national. Like, bro, you should go and research first and then speak up. ऐसे ही फालतू में why you?
The more progressive we are going in the technology, the more aggressive our thinking is becoming.
True.
Exactly.
Especially putting Sonam Wangchuk himself in the jail. It's like it's not a crime against the people of Ladakh. It's against humanity.
That's so
जिसने
bad.
इंडियन आर्मी के लिए इतना कुछ किया है,
True.
है ना, लद्दाख के लोगों के लिए किया है, और उसके बाद एजुकेशनल रिफॉर्म्स किए। तुम ऐसे इंसान को जिसको ये डॉक्टरेट्स दे रहे हैं बाहर की यूनिवर्सिटीज, उसको तुम जेल में डाल रहे हो।
It's,
That is very
it's
bad.
harsh.
Yeah.
And because like minorities है तो इतना आवाज नहीं निकलते हैं ना.
They
It's very
suppress. Yeah, तुम्हारा religion. If I am respecting yours, you should respect mine
Yes,
also.
true.
But the humanity here is like, तुम ये religion है, I won't give you money, I won't give you anything. You are like something like some alien or blah blah blah. So this discrimination starts from here, I guess.
Yeah.
People not really understanding why this reservation is given or why
They don't
it
even
is
know the
gender.
background. What's the
Yeah.
reason?
What is
behind?
the equality? What is the inequality? What is feminism? Or what is other like theories? People just know like हाँ ये इन लोगों को ऐसे extra दे रहे. No, it's really not like that. People not like पढ़ ही नहीं रहे उसके बारे में.
Like,
पढ़ना चाहिए.
there was one example
read.
of our classmate. He was like the Brahmins were the people who actually went to the school and studied, and Shudras they didn't study it, so that's why they don't get any kind of क्या कहते हैं उनको पढ़ा उन्होंने पहले पढ़ा नहीं अब वो reservation मांग रहे हैं like that kind of thing. But like were they allowed to even go inside the
Yes,
temple?
earlier they were
Yeah.
not even. They didn't even get the opportunities, nah. And now you are saying that there
No.
should be equality. There shouldn't be reservation. That's like,
हाँ.
how can you? Like the gap is already there. Okay, we
हाँ.
cannot just say कि हटा दो. You are creating more, you know. But see, we all are from different religion.
Yeah.
She is Hinduism. She follow Hindu religion, and she's Sikhism, and I'm like Buddhism. Like it's like if हम बोलेंगे कि हाँ नहीं मेरा ही अच्छा है तुम्हारा अच्छा नहीं है, it won't work ना. It's like not like that.
What is the
We should
point of
respect.
secularism there?
True.
Yeah.
People are fighting for religion and telling ourselves as if we are democratic, secular country here.
देखो देखो हमने तो वोट डाला हम तो डेमोक्रेटिक है बट व्हाट अबाउट लाइक द आइडियोलॉजीज यू हैव एंड व्हाट आर यू प्रमोटिंग
And see, our backgrounds are totally different, right? And we cannot say we are all equal. We should be treated equally. We have been through different things. We cannot say like no, अब सब same होना चाहिए. Nothing should be there. It's not like that. What we face in our past, it's different, na. So you cannot, especially those elite classes, no.
या
They are like अभी तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, you know.
Like
There is no
people,
discrimination.
actually
at all.
there are people who think like अभी तो हम जो देख रहे हैं ना वही चल रहा है. Like आसपास में उन लोगों का भी our classmates itself like they've never seen SC or ST or OBC any other minority communities who are suffering really hard. Okay. who like think themselves as like उन लोगों को पढ़ने का अभी भी आजकल भी पढ़ने का right नहीं है सोचने वाला लोगों को नहीं मिला होगा but still there are people who are like still facing caste issues like discrimination issues, color based racism, everything in our country itself and we can see everything in our social media. Still these
they
people
don't
believe that ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता है. It's
हमने तो
just
नहीं देखा.
हमने तो नहीं देखा.
अभी यहाँ पे हुआ था ना उत्तराखंड में. There were two Mizoram. They were from Mizoram, right? Two guys were walking, student, okay, around 23-24 age. They were walking, and then some people said racism. बोल देते हैं ना Chinese है. And what they did was just said no, we are not Chinese, we are Indian. And then they stabbed him.
Yeah. And his name is Angel something
हाँ,
ना
हाँ, yes,
that
yes.
case. And like his father is in army itself. Like army ward को तुम ऐसे कह रही कि तुम Chinese हो and then person is defending, confronting you and you're like stabbing them. It's so
They're
sick.
not even fighting. They're just confirming no, we are Indian. We are proud to be Indian.
Yeah.
We were just so welcoming.
Even like one more case happened in Uttarakhand itself. It was like one bodybuilder. He protected a Muslim shop, like Muslim shop होना कि तुम्हारा जो
अभी
shop है
उसका-
उसका change करो. His business got shut down. bro.
अभी उसको threats आ रहे हैं.
हाँ.
उसका घर वालों को गोली मार देगा वैसे threats आ रहे हैं. Like people are really crazy.
Yeah.
If you are like believing in one religion, that's
And
perfectly
he just
fine.
defended one
It's
old
your, it's
man.
your
right?
point of view. We
But
totally
never
respect.
like force someone or impose something on someone.
And like it was so sad to see he is such a build like bodybuilder banda hai. On camera he was crying for his safety. Like I just protected one guy and now all of the like people are against me. And that is so sad.
That's the reality of our sad India.
All right, guys. My friends want to say something. Okay, let's hear.
Sangmani mein YouTubers subscribe Chazat. Chazat?
I hope you guys might have understood well. So let's do that.
Oju, where's my Oju?
Oju.
Yeah.
Chule.
I know Korean Dongtongza.
Or what else? I told.
Orinia. Rangna, Demo, demo thongdu.
What does it mean?
I am beautiful.
Honestly speaking, it means you are beautiful. Okay, thank you so much, Musha.
Thongduk? No, not me.
Thongduk means?
क्या? रंगमा demo thongduk. The rangma demo duk. They both are same.
Guys,
Devani, why you told me that? What is opposite? Oh, what is I hate you?
I hate you. Nga?
Nga
Rangla?
rangla.
Just what chot?
Nga rangla. I know. It's called I love you. That I know. Yes, मुझे ठम्बन आते नहीं ना.
Guys, once I had pineapple juice from here, okay, it's so good. So I wanna have right now one